Okay guys, I'm getting ready to DIY this Target vase. Yes, this is such a good piece and I really do like it. The perfect weight, perfect size. But me, I just want to make it to where it accommodates my home. So I'm going to use the acrylic chocolate. And then let me see what's the actual color. Don't say, what is that? And I got it from Hobby Lobby. I got it when it was 40% off. Oh, and this vase, it was originally 50, but then I got it for an additional 20% off, and so it was 40. And if I may need this khaki that I just picked up from Walmart, 98 cents, I'm going to be using the cornstarch method. So hopefully, I like how it looks. If not, and then of course I just have a paintbrush sponge and another sponge brush. I hate that I feel like I can't talk. And then I'm going to be, guys, if you're a big DIYer, keep your little plastic cups like your Starbucks, your Wendy's, and things like that, because I'm just going to mix all my paint in here. So that is a great option if you don't want to mess up dishes or not mess them up, but throw them away. But yeah, so let's get to it. Come on, I don't need that much. Yes, I do. And I think I'm going to do this spoonful of cornstarch. I may have to add a little bit more, just depends. And in the end, I may end up adding the khaki to up here. I don't know. So let's see. I think I do need more paint. Sorry guys, that doorbell is going to go off every time. We can't get the settings to go down or anything. So that may annoy some people. But at least it's not the smoke detector. Ooh, that would drive me crazy. With that little beeping. I don't see how people just don't change out the batteries. But let me add more, because I think I will be needing more, because this is a pretty large vase. So oh, I hope this turns out the way in my mind that I want it to. Wish me luck. Now we're going to let that dry, and then I'll come back and start making some out of something. Okay guys, let's get started with this one. I got this several months ago from HomeGoods. I think I actually paid $39.99 or either $49.99, but it was in one of my earliest hauls. So again, I'm going to do the cornstarch method. I think I'm gonna go with the white. Almost like a cream I'm trying to get for this one. So again, like the brown, I have the white acrylic from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to add just a little of that brown that I used for the first vase. So hopefully, ooh, that may be too much brown. Go ahead and add some of this khaki in, because I don't like how this color look. So hopefully I can get it to how I want it. If not, we're still gonna use it. I know you guys remember this a while back. This is another Home Goods find. I think I paid $39.99 for this one. I initially ended up breaking the handles on the way home, and then my son ended up breaking the other handles, and I thought I wasn't going to do anything with it, but I love it, but it's just too peachy undertone. So I'm going to try to use the colors that I just used. So I'm going to take the sea sponge, and I need a piece. I don't need the whole thing. Just need like well, actually I need a couple pieces. I'm just going to cut what I need, and then I'll just use these two. This might be too much. I don't know if I need to wet them, but let me just wet them just in case. Needed one of the pieces, so hopefully I can get this blended out like I want. So foundation when you guys see me in my makeup, so that's not foundation that I have on. So hopefully I can get this blending technique down, because honey, I sweat too bad. Just the remaining of some charcoal, and I'm just going to put this on here to try to do some child. Okay guys, for the next two pours I had to bring you outside. Sorry is outside noise, but I ended up taking my old coffee grounds and just mixing it with some water. And so I'm gonna try to see how this looks. Oh my goodness, it's leaning. So I'm trying to see how that will look. And I'm just going to pat it on and let it dry, and then knock off some of the excess. And then I had some charcoal mixture too as well, and I mixed that with some water, and I'm going to do the brown vase. So let's see how this looks. So guys, these are the finished products of the Target vases. So this is one. It was cream. It was $50, but I actually got it on sale for 20% off. So I ended up getting this one for $40 instead of $50. And I'm liking how that came out. So I can't wait to style that on a shelf. I don't know what I want to put in it. I just stuck that in there for now, just to show you.
So I'm loving how that looks. I know I'm talking with a lisp. Love it. Now the next vase came from HomeGoods. I got this a while ago. I ended up paying $49.99 for it. So yeah, I love how this came out. I told you I had broke the handles on both sides. So you really can't even tell it from afar, but once you get up on it, of course you can see it. But from a distance, you can't. I'm loving how the different shades of brown are in it. And that came out. I ended up putting stain on it, like just regular furniture stain. And of course you have to wipe it off and then you have to seal it. But yeah, I love this chocolate. I'm telling you guys, I don't know what's going on with me. I'm into pinks and chocolates right now. So it's like a thing. So I love how that came out. This was another HomeGoods find. I think I got this for, I'm not for sure, $39.99. But I was loving the detail on this. So when I first did it, I couldn't stand the color on it. It was like, the color was so nasty looking at me. And I ended up staining this one too as well, like I did the other one. So I love how that came out. And of course you have to seal it. Don't look at the background, but I like how this one came out too. And of course you guys, you will see how I style these in a later video. But for now, I'm just showing you the finished product and then we'll go from there.